Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to find and download your iCloud photos and videos on your iPhone. Now if you want to find and download all of your iCloud photos and videos on your iPhone but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. There are various methods of downloading the iCloud photos and videos on a device. Now this is step all for iPhone and all of it. So you just need to open the Photos app on a device. So you just need to launch the Photo app on your device. So this is the home page of Photo app where you'll see the photos and various options. If you scroll down, so you need to find your iCloud photos. So if you have your iCloud photos enabled, then all of your photos and videos should be available in the Photos app. To ensure your iCloud photos are downloaded, you just need to tap on the album and scroll down to iCloud photos. So to check if you have connected to iCloud or not, you may simply click on the option of profile at the very top right, and you'll be able to see if you have enabled it or not. So if you have enabled the iCloud, then all of your photos will be available on the photo library itself. So if you want to download the photos or videos, then and if your photos and videos are fully downloaded, then it will show you a cloud like icon. So you just need to tap on the photo or the video which shows the cloud like icon, and it will begin downloading on a device. Now to save the photo or video on a device permanently, make sure that your iCloud photos is enabled. So you may simply enable it from the settings device. So you just need to open settings on a device, and you need to click on your name at the very top, and here you will see the option like iCloud, family and all of it. So you just need to click on the option of iCloud, and you may simply enable it from here. So that's it. That's how you can find and download your iCloud photos and videos. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.